Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on TCL 605. Let's begin. First, let's simply make sure that our auto rotation is indeed enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center. Let's do that once again. And here we have auto rotate. You will know that if you have it disabled, so it says off, your rotation won't really work. If you would go to something that rotates, let's say cut the calculator, we'll see that, well, it no longer rotates. We do have a little button for rotating it manually, but it's not automatic, obviously. However, if you would enable it once again, so let's go with and make sure it's enabled, we can see that now it should be working perfectly fine. Even though it is a little bit laggy and sometimes it doesn't really detect it that well, but generally it does a pretty good job. However, if for some reason you still don't see it, you still don't get it working, I would simply advise you to reboot your device. You can do that by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and then going with the restart. Why? I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but also hardware as well, including gyroscopes, which are responsible for, you guessed it, screen rotation. So, if you have any issues, make sure to simply give it a little reboot. And lastly, as a little theory, just make sure that the app that you want to use actually supports both modes. I know that most applications don't have these issues, but games are specifically known for this. For example, you cannot play Clash Royale in the landscape mode, and you cannot play, Call of Duty in the portrait mode. So yeah, you want to make sure that your application actually supports both of the modes in your rotation, that your screen rotation is enabled, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.